Hello friends, today we are doing about number system. Number system is very much important for mathematics. If you know about the numbers, then you can say mathematics is too much easy. Some students after their name they are thinking mathematics it is very difficult subject, but I am telling about number that will be very much helpful to you do mathematics. Number system. Number system means a real number system. Up to 10th standard we already know about the real number system only. Number system means real number system. It is denoted by capital R. It has two parts. First one is rational, second one is irrational. Rational is denoted by Q, irrational is denoted by IQ. And after that, irrational has no part, but rational is divided into two parts, fractions and integers. Fraction you know, numerator upon denominator. This is known as fraction. Integers. Integer means it is denoted by capital I या capital Z. Some books write I, some books write Z. So it can be written by any number I or Z. Now it has been divided into two parts, negative integers and whole numbers. Negative integer is denoted by Z minus and whole number is denoted by W. Whole number is again divided into two parts, 0 and natural number. Natural number means it is denoted by capital N. Now I will define them by giving examples. First one is natural numbers. Natural number means set of all number from 1 to n. Yeah, we can say counting numbers are known as natural numbers, where n can be any number. It is denoted by capital N, as I told also. Clear? Like 1, 2, 3 up to so on. 1 is your smallest natural number. And about if we say which is the largest natural number, we cannot define because it is infinite. But smallest natural number is 1. Whole number. इफ़ जीरो इज़ एडिड विद नेचुरल नंबर, अगर हम जीरो इसके साथ ऐड कर दें तो वो क्या बन जाएगा हमारा होल नंबर. इट इज़ डिनोटेड बाय W, लाइक 0, 1, 2, 3. नाउ वन क्वेश्चन अराइजेज, इज एवरी होल नंबर इज़ अ नेचुरल नंबर? Is every whole number a natural number? No. Why? Because of 0. If I say 0 is a natural number? No. Why? Because it starts from 1. If I say is every natural number a whole number? Yes, very good. Yes, we can say because it starts from 1 and 1 contained in whole number also. Every whole number is in natural number? No, but every natural number is in whole number. Next one is integers. All natural number and negative of natural number and 0 together form integer. It is denoted by Z and I, like -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. You know about integers which we represent on number line. Same here, in which all natural number with the negative also and 0 there. All natural number with the negative also and 0. It is known as integers. Next is rational number, which can be written in form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. It is denoted by Q, like 0 upon 1, 1 upon 1, 2 upon 1, 7 upon 8. Means it must not be 0, but P can be anything. And one thing more, 0 is a rational number or not? Yes, 0 is a rational number because we can write 1 in a denominator. So Q is not equal to 0 here. It doesn't matter कि what is P, but we don't want Q as a 0. So 0 is a rational number. Next is irrational number, which can't be written in form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. It is denoted by IQ, like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. Have you written these numbers ki it can be written in form of this? No, we will see them in this form only. And one thing more, pi is irrational number. But 22 upon 7, what is this? This is rational number, because pi is irrational but 22 upon 7 is rational, because it is written in form of P upon Q, but it can't be written in form of P upon Q. 22 upon 7 is not the exact value of pi. Next one is prime number. Which number is having only two factors, 1 and itself, like 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. Means 1 and itself, which is having only two factors. These are known as prime numbers. Next one is composite numbers. Which number is having more than two factors, like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Whenever we will see how many factors of this, 1, 2, 4, and for 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. So more than two numbers are known as composite numbers. Which is having two factor is prime number. And I tell you one thing, which is the smallest composite number? That is 4. Which is the smallest prime number? This is 2. Clear? And 2 is only even prime, except 2 all prime numbers are odd. 2 is only even prime number, except 2 all prime numbers are odd. Last one is co-prime. Co-prime numbers which are having only 1 as a common factor, like 2 and 5. 2 and 5, what is a common factor in between? 1, because 1 and 2 are factors of 2, 5's factor is 1 and 5. So only 1 is a common factor. In 3 and 4, what is a common factor there? 1 only. And listen this thing, every number with its consecutive number is also co-prime, like 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. All numbers with its consecutive is having only 1 as a common factor. 1, 2, 1, 3. What is common? Only 1. 1, 3, 1, 2, 4. What is common here? Only 1. And one thing more I tell you, for making it co-prime, it is not necessary कि it must be prime. No, it can be any number. Clear? It is not compulsory कि it must be prime. Any number can be co-prime which is having only 1 as a common factor. I hope you got this number system. It will be very much helpful to do mathematics.